Oh, I don't want to talk about that.
You sure? Because I think the internet might. What is that?
It's my wire turned into a Smurf. Before we get to that, let's get paid. Today's video is sponsored by Ridge Wallet. The Ridge is a minimal front pocket wallet that's designed to streamline what you carry every day. It has 30,000 5-star reviews and it's a better way to carry your cash and cards. There's a lifetime warranty if you love it and free returns if you don't. There are over 30 different colors and styles to choose from, including a carbon fiber one and a burnt titanium one as well. It's designed to go in your front or your back pocket. Get 10% off today with free worldwide shipping and returns by going to ridge.com/savage. That's ridge.com/savage and use code SAVAGE. Link is in the description below. So thanks to Ridge Wallet for sponsoring today's video. Make sure you check out the link in the description below and get your Ridge Wallet today.
Hi, Blake. How you doing? You want to show me what you found on Instagram not too long ago?
Oh, that thing.
Yeah.
What'd you find? I think is that what you're talking about?
Oh, I think you know, Mr. Randall.
What? Oh, I don't want to talk about that.
You sure? Because I think the internet might. What is that?
It's my wire turned into a Smurf. It's a Smurf Huayra. Or a Papa, what was Papa Smurf? Papa Smurf Gandhi? Papa Smurf Gandhi. Hey.
Yeah.
It's blue.
It's blue, all right.
No comment. It's not my taste, not my car.
Okay. Well, let's give a little bit.
No mistaking me walking in knowing that that's the color of the car.
Okay. So let's give a little bit of background here. So this is your old Pagani. This is in Florida.
Mm-hmm. Even in blue, I'd still get it. You know, if that were an original color, it'd be really cool. I think it's just because of the fact that it's so, you know, the contrast is so different. I mean, it's kind of cool looking.
You know, most Paganis, they're a darker shade, or they're glossy, metallic.
Right, or carbon, colored carbon and all that. Hey, look, it's fun. It's a wrap. It's no big deal.
That Pagani, this opens up a slightly larger discussion looking at this. Nowadays, there's a lot more brighter color, supercars, hypercars, it seems like.
Sure. And
it wasn't like that long ago. You can make the argument that hypercars didn't exist that long ago, but it's only been as of recently that people want unique colors for supercars, like these really bespoke colors.
Yeah, I mean, I think some of the brighter colors actually out there were like in the Veyron, the blues in the Veyron, the French blue. They would do the accents in the Veyrons.
Yeah. But I mean, like the really wacky, like think of Lamborghini, for example.
Oh, yeah.
It used to be like yellow, red, black.
Like purple, fading white, neon.
Yeah, all that.
And stuff like that, which, again, it's not my taste in cars, but the car is beautiful, and to each their own with their color choices. Mm-hmm. It's crazy the color choices and the palettes available. Perfect example is the STO. You could literally order an STO in so many different color choices, accent packages, sticker packages, that I don't think anyone's gonna have the same STO out there.
There is no Pagani that has come with like a matte color like that, as of yet. But it makes me wonder, is there now going to be one?
Right, if in the old days, if you just wanted to be obnoxious, you just ordered color in yellow.
You just can't let it go.
yellow.
What did yellow do to you? Now that.
All right, you want to know what yellow did to me? I'm going to tell you.
Okay. Whoa.
This is big.
All right. We want to know.
How many of you loved high school? Anyone? All right. So, back in the day, before electricity, when I went to high school, no, just kidding. So I went to high school from 1984 to 1988. I went, and some of you, I know some of my friends back there are fans of the channel, so you'll enjoy this. I went to Warwick Valley High School. In my sophomore year, I joined the swim team. And I really, really enjoyed swimming up to a point where it became obnoxious and I hated it. But our school colors were yellow and purple. Now, I don't hate purple that badly. I don't hate it actually. Purple's okay for me. Wouldn't buy a car in it, it's not me. But yellow, and my sweatshirt was bright, bright yellow with purple lettering. Now, back in the day, I was more gingery haired. As I've gotten older, my hair's gotten darker because I wear it shorter, but I wore my hair longer. It was curly. I had red hair. It's kind of a gingerish kind of a look. So imagine ginger hair with a yellow sweatshirt. It's the color I hate the most because I hated that world so badly, and it's never left me. Then I went to culinary school. After business school and all that. I went to culinary school, and lo and behold, the colors were green and yellow. So followed me, the yellow.
Yes.
Following me. And yeah, I hate yellow. That's why I hate yellow pretty much.
The original thing we were talking about, that Huayra, I think it's cool to see a car like that in that color because it is so different.
That's why people go crazy with Porsches. I mean, no offense to Porsche. I love Porsches, but Porsches themselves are not very different and stand out. But when you put it in a crazy color, like that pastel orange, that car is amazing.
Pull up Jeffrey's stars, Colin and Blake.
I've seen that thing. That thing's awesome. The guy's incredible.
Pink on pink, baby.
I mean, you gotta, that's serious. Baller.
It's awesome.
That's so sick.
I mean, I respect that because, man, there's no holding back with that car.
Hell yeah.
Oh my god.
Hell yeah. What do they say? Slay Queen or something like that?
Yas Queen.
Yas Queen.
Yas.
So this is a great question. Everybody, a lot of people buy cars based on resale value.
Sure.
What do you do there? Those kind of cars are one-off, and usually the guy who's speccing that car, or girl, mind you, doesn't care.
Right.
They don't care about resale value or anything like that. But I always wondered, where do these cars go? Do they go to some odd museum of technically the most oddly spec cars ever? I think somebody should collect those.
You know the Instagram @worstspec or something?
Yeah.
There's a collector that runs that watch.
Exactly.
He's got every Fast and the Furious car.
I found the ugliest 812 Superfast the other day. I'm like, oh my god.
Oh, that's disgusting.
Hell yeah. Dude, that's awesome. See, that stuff, I look at this and I go, this stuff's cool as shit. This stuff's gonna come back. Look at this.
Oh,
that looks atrocious. But you know what? It's so ridiculous, it's cool. And then dogs. Good grief.
You want to get in on some of this one? The most ugly spec cars in the world.
Oh my god, what?
Oh, hell yes. That's a 360, right? Oh no, that's the Ronald McDonald edition.
599 GTV.
Oh yeah.
Look at that.
Oh my god.
Oh my.
It's like Ronald McDonald threw up all over the car.
It literally, that's what they're going off of. That's Saldine. That's paint.
That's paint?
Saldine, yeah. Saldine.
Good grief. Oh my gosh. Where do these cars go? You know, like, these are all photos of these cars, and I am
Turkmenistan.
I love how that brand new Scion is on worst spec.
Yeah. 2 posts back to back.
That's wait, pull that like so I can see it full screen. Yeah, I mean, I guess. Wait, go back. No. Ooh, look at the yellow Mercy over there. Look at that. Hell yeah. Got those the Hercules wheels on there. That thing's nice.
Hercules.
Thank you for sharing that, Pagani, Blake. I don't know. Yeah. We should go see it.
Nope. That's your Pagani?
Yep. I gotta sit in. I'm gonna kiss my baby. Where are we gonna? Man.